ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to review Rivela Gel. Rivela Gel is a sunscreen lotion and it has SPF 30+. We can see that Rivela Gel has argan oil which helps in moisturizing the skin and also in revitalizing the skin. Let's see the benefits of using Rivela Gel now. So, Rivela Gel gives protection against UVA rays and UVB rays. It does not leave greasy feeling on skin and it helps in sebum, reducing the sebum secretion, and it has anti-aging properties. It is water resistant and also it is preservative free. It comes in 60 grams and it is marketed by Cipla Limited. When it comes to the ingredients, whatever is being used, that is dimethicone, cross polymer, octinoxate, benzoate and other ingredients. So the directions for the use: apply the lotion evenly on face, skin and other sun exposed areas 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply it after every 2 hours so that it gives complete protection against the sun, and apply every day for maximum protection. Now let's unbox the product and see how it looks like. So it looks like this. And we can also see that there is a description given inside the package, wherein we'll know what is a sunscreen, why should we apply sunscreen, and what type of sunscreen suits our skin, and also about the product. What precautions should we use before applying the sunscreen, how should we apply, what all ingredients is being used.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and